Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the last time I'll remind you that the virtual Ugly Sweater Christmas party for dolls is coming. We need to have your video of your dolls in a Christmassy or party scene in a sweater, preferably an ugly Christmas sweater. And I've been giving all kinds of ideas of things that you might put on your dolls for the party. And this is the last one I'm going to do for the party. And it is the wine bottle or liquor bottle sweater that you can put on your BJDs or other dolls of this size. I mean, there's a lot of dolls that could wear these. I think these are really cute. They're usually less than $5. Now, there's a string up top that makes this tight, and I'm going to show you what to do about that. Because I'm just showing this quickly, I'm going to do it on the doll. But there are two ways to use the wine bottle sweaters for your dolls. Now, a couple of years ago, no, it was last year, my daughter-in-law, my youngest daughter-in-law, brought me a sweater for my Yorkshire Terrier puppy. It didn't work out, and one of the biggest reasons was at the neck there is a string that makes this tight, and it's inside. It's like the top stitching at the top of the knit, so you have to loosen that. And there's a couple things after you cut that you can do. Well, 3 that I'm going to tell you about. 1, leave it alone. Not a big deal. It's on the back of the doll. It doesn't fray too badly. That's been cut for a while. And you can just pin that or leave it or whatever you want to do. Or, and I'm just going to show you this very quickly on the doll. This is so easy, and anybody can do this. Just take a needle and thread and fold this over for a finished look and sew that down. I've got green thread on all the way around. What you need to do is fold this to the inside of the sweater, and you can straighten it out and do that, or you can just turn that over there. Then you can add a hook and loop on there, or Velcro, which is also called hoop and loop, or you can put a snap, no big deal. And the stitch that I would use to do this, let me fold that under, would be, I think it's called whip stitch. And what you want to do is pull, and I would have started on the underside too if I were doing this right. You take your thread round and round, but you put a knot between each of your stitches. And the reason you do that is not only, look at her hair getting in it, I should have taken it off. Not only to keep that from fraying and make it stronger, but it also holds the fabric down a little tighter. The other thing you can do, I buy this at Walmart. I think it's less than $3. It is fray check, and it's a liquid seam sealer. And what that means is it'll keep this from fraying. So you very carefully, and I should use a seam ripper, but see how I'm getting just that top tight stitch. That's all you need to do. And actually that might come out wide enough to put this on your doll. If not, cut down a little bit. I saved this, the cardboard that actually came inside of it, and I'm going to put that back up into the sweater. I am working on top of a newspaper just in case. I don't really want that on my counter. And then I'm going to take this fray check and then just carefully put that and use it kind of like glue, where you push that seam down. You don't want it sticking up in the air. Put it over all of the loose stuff both directions, and there will be enough give in the rest of the knit that this should stretch for you when it's dry. Okay, here's how it works. You send Darren to darren@dollsrescue.com email address a 15-second video of your dolls in sweaters. Doesn't have to be Christmas. It's better if it is, but seriously, there's a lot you can do to Christmas them up. Send that to Darren by 2 o'clock on the 15th of December 2020, and we will include that. This is for our subscribers, so hit that subscribe button. We will include your channel name on the clip that you send us. So it's kind of like a fun Christmas party with a shout out. Thank you for watching. Please join our party. It's really going to be fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.